guys, welcome back to JR14. We're here in Jersey. Josh is sitting here. He's as you can see, my trans is out of the car. We're putting the DKM clutch in the car. Like I said to you, if you haven't seen the unboxing video yet, you can go in the upper right hand corner of the screen. But for this video, we're actually going to show you a little bit of the installation. We're not going to do it full DIY. It's way too intensive. I would totally recommend, if you don't have the experience, do it with a professional. Hence why I did it with a professional. And if you're in the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut area, hit up these guys. Josh and Lexie, they're amazing. Why are you not focusing? There we go. And this is what we're dealing with now. Where's the part? Oh, all right. So special shout out to ShopDap, Paul from ShopDap from Deutsche Auto Parts. I was looking for this. 3 Volkswagen dealerships by me did not have it, and ShopDap did, and I gave it to me within a week because I was changing the clutch out. If you have a Mark 7 or any Volkswagen for that matter, if you're doing a clutch job or if you're doing any type of trans where the trans has to come out, please change this so that this way you don't have to worry about it. Mine is fine. That's what they see right now. Mine is fine. So, but we're gonna change it anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of clips of them putting the clutch in the car, and we're going over some maintenance things too to make sure. The car has 65,000 miles on it now, and it's been a long journey with it. You know, these guys are epic, and I will put the link in the description of their Instagram page and the type of work that they do if you have a Volkswagen product. Even if you don't have a Volkswagen product, these guys are excellent with repairs. Volkswagen is their specialty though. Like, they have an RS3 that sends it. Like, they do good stuff. So we're definitely going to look at see what they're going to do. They're looking at the rear main seal, make sure that it's all good now, and we're going to put the clutch in. So I'm going to show you a couple pieces. Show you guys a couple pieces of clips of them installing the clutch right now. This is where everybody huddles over together and looks at the new shit.
Oh! Ah!
Oh, that's really clean. That's beautiful. This is, boys, MS Series clutch. Hopefully I don't have this issue again. Please don't have this issue again. I don't want to be in here for a while. I'll go into it on that. Okay. Fair enough. Josh playing by the rules.
Oh, it's my own rules.
Tin can. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let's hope that we won't revisit this next year. Much as I love Josh, kind of don't want to have to deal with this next year. This gets expensive. There's my tram.
Where's your pressure plate bolt?
They're somewhere. Oh, don't play with me like that. Where are the pressure plate? Oh, okay. I was like, I took everything out the box, but I put everything back in the box for them. I was like,
that bitch squat.
damn,
Squat.
it was in there.
Thanks, the day blew up.
That's the day blew up.
I think so.
Perfect, fiery orange sky.
Yep.
Hell yeah, bro. 60,000 miles of Haldex fluid. You need to change it every 30,000 miles. No, you don't. No, you don't. You should. Alright, so if you guys can't tell, this is the trans. Normally, we would have to do this bolt. You have to be on top of the car, feed the hose through here, and then this the drain plug down there. But since it's out of the car, we already did this service once. So we might as well just do it again while it's out of the car. It wasn't that expensive. It was like $60 to $80 for the Heldex fluid off of shoptap.com. They give you the whole kit and everything for you to service it. Yes, we followed the guidelines with OBD11 and the temperature. And, you know, we did everything that we had to do. But now we're actually going to put that back in. If you want to use the new drain plugs? Hell yeah, that's what ShopDap's for, brother. ShopDap has new drain plugs. Where is that? There it is. Ah, there it is. Yep. So ShopDap gives you a nozzle to put on the cap of the bottle. And they give you 2 drain plugs, brand new ones, with new seals. So you're good to go because Volkswagen likes to use one seals. But yeah, so if we just add the fluid in now, it's going to be a lot easier to add the fluid in. We can use the hose that is part that comes with the kit, as well as the Heldex fluid that also comes with the kit. Like I said, it's around $60 to $80, so it's really not terrible. Might as well. Oh no, it's getting on your step there. Yeah, I can edit that part out. The more you film, the more you can edit. That's what I always say. But real quick, guys, before we go, here is the subframe with the steering rack. So Josh found out a different way of taking it out, which is kind of cool. But look at the amount of 65,000 miles on this car. And look how good it still looks. Like, this is actually really cool. And then it goes to the rest of the undercarriage of the car. I keep talking about it over and over again, but it's really, I wouldn't say immaculate, but it's really clean under here for 65,000 miles. New York City car, driven every single day in the snow, in the salt, in the rain, in the dirt. Like you can see here, I went mudding with it. Yes, you can, Josh. You just put some snow tires on it.
Snow tires? They make those?
I know, right?
Oh my god.
Oh man, the more we know. The more you know. Here's that MA Performance catless downpipe that we just installed on the car. And everything looks really good. Like, there's no rusting. A lot of this stuff is aluminum on this car. So you don't really have a lot of rust, which means that, you know, parts last a lot longer than they usually should, which is pretty good. Yeah, exactly. The expert. Yeah, we're gonna put that part in because I don't know what I'm talking about. Josh is the expert for everything. See, he's putting the cap on, he's doing it right.
Whoa, he put the cap on.
He's putting the cap on. He said screw the hose. We're just gonna squeeze it in. Just gonna. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. The installation of the DKM MS Series Twin Disc Clutch for Project MK7. Shout out to TCR Performance for actually installing the clutch. You looked at me wrong. Okay, I did it right. You looked up when I said it. See how fun he is? He you know, we did the, no, not we, he did it. You know, he put in the clutch and he's still smiling at the end of the day, which is great. Okay. So, like again, thank you. Shout out to Tin Can Racing and Performance, or TCR Performance. And also, shout out to DKM again for sending me out an MS Series clutch. You guys will get a full review on how this clutch is. I will give you my first impressions of it in the next video. Without further ado, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to JR14. And hope you guys have a good one. And remember, cars are a lifestyle.